Well, hey there, it's Catherine from CatherinePuller.com. We are very excited to be here at Creativation 2019. Welcome to our booth. Our theme is Welcome to the Neighborhood, and I'm excited to share some features and benefits of our inks. Are you ready?
Awesome, yeah.
Okay, so we have two different collections of ink. We separate them by colors. So we have the Party Collection. These are all vibrant, saturated inks, and they're in groups of 8, except for the foundations is a group of 4. So vibrant and saturated. And then the Spa Collection is a muted, sophisticated color palette. So you can see this is made with the Party, and this is made with Spa. So there's a very different feel to the two different cards using all the same supplies. Then again, Party and Spa, you just see the saturation level is different, so then they coordinate together. So color is really easy with the color collection. So again, Party and Spa. There's a lot of different techniques that you can do with our inks, but we'll just start with the basics. Stamping. Our ink is a foam pad. This is suede shoes. You know this is a party color because it has something to do with fun, party, music. You know, we have samba and Scrapbena. When you're on vacation, you're gonna party, right? So just by the color names, you know which collection they go with. Spa has eucalyptus leaves and juniper mist and stone glue. So stone for stone massage.
Yes. Awesome.
Who wants
Feels
a stone
nice
massage?
right now.
Yes.
I love your inky fingers.
Oh my gosh, I know.
Picture sign of a stamper.
I've been stamping for 2 days. So suede shoes, this is, you can see our pad is foam, so it's squishy. And you can see the transfer of ink is just ridiculous. And that is because it's on a foam pad. So baby wipe nearby so I don't get ink on my project. So just a light tap, we call these love taps. And you get a solid stamped image, and it's very vibrant. Even our Spa inks, which are muted, they're still vibrant. They're just not a muddy, muted color. If you want color coordinated cardstock, all you do is a little bit of direct to paper, and you can see on this card, this is Samba ink, and it looks like a piece of Samba cardstock.
Oh, wow. What a good idea.
Yeah, so when you do techniques like this, you are going to use a lot of ink, so you're going to want the ink refills on hand, which we sell as well. You can also take a blender pen. This is a Zig blender pen. Just dab it on top of your ink pad, and then you can color.
Oh, that's so pretty.
And I try to be careful about not getting too much ink in my blender pen, because then when I want to trade colors, I just run it off until it's clear, and then I'm able to go into the next color. You can also heat emboss with our inks. So this is Sauna, and this color is Daydream, and then when they blend in the middle, they make this gorgeous green color. So I'm always surprised by the different colors that come out when I ink blend with our inks. The inks stay wet for about 5 seconds, so you have time to do a clear or a clear glitter. This is by Wow, it's called Wanderlust, and that is what's on top of here. So just stamp it, throw your embossing powder on, heat it, and you have something gorgeous like that. Here's another example.
So pretty.
This is all Spa inks, and so is this one.
That looks like it's like 5 different colors that you use, doesn't it?
2 inks.
That's crazy.
And then this is 3 inks. So this is Flirty Fuchsia, and this is Aquatini, and when they blend it, it's this gorgeous indigo color. So the inks have like a translucent property to them, which makes it really great for like water techniques. This is swishing, so when you like put your ink down, maybe use a block like this, or your craft mat, just dab your ink pad, spritz on some water, use watercolor cardstock, and and then heat. I've done that before.
Yeah.
Yeah, so
That's
you can
pretty.
get something that looks like that, or something that looks like this.
So
Really
pretty.
It's really
Yeah.
pretty.
And then this was done all with ink blending tools.
Oh, that's beautiful.
That is gorgeous.
I didn't make it. I would love to claim this, but
That is
Cindy
really
would love.
pretty.
Yeah. Any questions?
No.
Oh, let me tell you about Midnight Ink before we end real quick. So our Midnight Ink is archival. It's permanent, waterproof, great with Copics.
Ooh.
It's very, very black and very dark. And just as a warning, it does stain your stamps. So this is going to be black now and I won't be able to get it off. But as long as you just do a light tap, you're going to be fine. If you push down and sink your stamp into the ink pad, you will get ink in the nooks and crannies and it won't come off. So I always like to warn people, just a really, I mean, I'm barely even touching that ink pad and I'm going to stamp and it's going to be very
super crisp.
Dark and yeah.
Wow.
Thank
That's
you
that.
so much.
That's everything to know.
Thank you.